Samsung RF4267GA Refrigerator. Items in flex drawer are freezing, no matter what setting is used.
How old is your Samsung fridge?
We'll have to check. Please give me a minute.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
A couple of weeks. I keep trying to reset the temp to another, but they all freeze up.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, I don't believe so. Just items freezing in the flex zone.
Hi, my name is. I have been in the repair field for over 20 years. I am sorry you are having issues. I will be glad to help you today. There are several reasons that your fridge may be getting too cold. One problem may be the damper, baffle or diffuser. This is the device that balances the airflow from the evaporator fan. This normally is a mechanically controlled baffle or flapper that controls the amount of cold air entering the fresh food compartment. If the baffle is damaged or the linkage to the control knob is damaged, then too much cold air may enter the fresh food compartment, resulting in lower than normal temperatures. The baffle or damper will be located where the cold air enters the fresh food compartment. The housing that the baffle or damper is encased in is often made of plastic with a styrofoam lining and may have a foam seal to prevent air leakage. This component can be found where the cold air enters the fridge compartment and can be assessed by checking to see if it is stuck open. Another issue may be a failed temperature sensor, thermistor. You will find the thermistor connected to the main control board. You will need to remove the back panel of your fridge to access the control board. Unplug the fridge and remove the thermistors from the appliance in order to test them. Before testing them, you will need to place the thermistors in ice water for 5 minutes to bring the temperature to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your multimeter to the RX1 setting and touch the probes to the terminals. You should receive a reading of 16,600 ohms, +/5%. Anything outside of that range will indicate replacement is necessary. If that is not the issue, then it may be the main control board. Usually, a visual inspection of the board will indicate there is a fault. Looking for any signs of damaged foil, wear, burnt connections, arcing, or swelling capacitors will indicate a failed board needing replacement. You also may have a model that is controlled by a temperature control rather than control board. To test that, you would unplug the fridge and remove the temperature control. You would then set the control to the lowest, warmest setting, place your multimeter on the RX1 setting, and touch the probes to the terminals to test for continuity. You should receive a reading of infinity. While still touching the terminals with the probes, change the control to a colder, higher setting. This should change the reading from infinity to 0. If none or only some of this happens, then replace the control.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. You can add me to your favorites from the My Questions page, and if you start the question with words for Canuck the Pro, then that will request me. I surely want to be your go-to expert. Maybe I can tell you some household things that might be helpful. How to flush your water heater, maintain your dishwasher, or really anything else that would be helpful to you. Thank you so much for allowing me to help with this today. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to let me know. I absolutely want to continue to help.
Seriously. I'm not able to pull the refrigerator out from the wall. It's only the flex zone drawer that is freezing. Frig seems fine.
You have adjusted the settings and referred to the manual, right? Then surely it will require some investigation as suggested.
Okay. Thanks anyway. Guess I won't be able to use the flex zone drawer.
You are very welcome. You can add me to your favorites from the My Questions page, and if you start the question with words for Canuck the Pro, then that will request me. I surely want to be your go-to expert. Maybe I can tell you some household things that might be helpful. How to flush your water heater, maintain your dishwasher, or really anything else that would be helpful to you. Thank you so much for allowing me to help with this today. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to let me know. I absolutely want to continue to help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.